Ready to make your money work for you? In the next 5 minutes, I'll show you how to buy your first shares, even if you've never invested a penny. Let's go. Inflation in 2025 is running at around 3 to 4%, meaning your cash loses value. If it just sits in a savings account, by investing in the stock market, you can historically expect approximately 7 to 10%. Annual returns over the long term enough to outpace inflation and build real wealth. Don't let jargon scare you. A stock is simply a share of a company's ownership. When the company grows its profits, your stock's value typically rises. Step 1. Pick a broker. Look for zero-commission trading, user-friendly mobile apps, and educational resources. Top choices in 2025 include Fidelity, Vanguard, and Schwab in the US, Hargreaves Lansdown in the UK, Questrade in Canada. Step 2. Verify your identity by uploading an ID. Usually takes under 10 minutes. Step 3. Fund your account by linking your bank and transferring at least $50. Pro tip: use the broker's auto-invest feature to buy your chosen stock or ETF on a set schedule, eliminating timing stress. For total beginners, start with broad market ETFs, like the S&P 500 ETF. Later, you can add individual stocks in sectors you understand: tech leaders, consumer staples, or energy stocks once you're comfortable. Decide your time horizon. Are you saving for retirement in 30 years or a house down payment in 5? Longer horizons can weather more volatility. Never invest money you can't afford to lose. Keep at least 6 months of expenses in a cash emergency fund before investing extra. If this helped demystify stocks, smash that like button, subscribe for more Finance 101, and ring the bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.